I got some new music for y'all this time. That's sped up. Alright, technical difficulties, once again. Hey, I wrote this shit for my family. A lot of love in this one. So pay attention. Look, I said, yeah. I do this shit for my people, I do this shit cause I need to. I never had nothing, never myself, I'm selling the streets. Sometimes I wanna leave through the door and never come back. I couldn't leave the family behind cause I'm not like my dad. I do this shit for my daughter, I do this shit for my son. The one I didn't have a chance to see what he would become. The reason I go hard every ball, put my heart on the drum, the more licks, even one of your selling myself a dream. I bought without a thought like a 20-cent magazine. Things are not the same, things don't ever compare to me. I'm rarely ever late cause they haven't seen what I've seen. Changed my life forever from pop was hitting this sweater was taking away his breath. Watch him struggle, try to get it wet, no air inside his chest. I don't wanna go victim, so I had to do what was best. Get my mind right, but keep my eyes tight, cause the threat could lead to someone getting hurt or maybe even dead. Fuck stress though, you ain't on my level, blood, sweat. And facing my fears got me here, no tears yet. The years get shorter and everyone appears less. I'm peeling out my past, the silly killing what's left. I just blunt somewhere at the bit dead. I'm done with it, had enough for this struggle. Every day that there's someone they wanna put you on the shit. We pray for one another, if it don't come then the mother be suffering. Grew up in this life, gang banging the hustling. Ain't no loving it, cracking jokes to keep us smart, we covering it up like what if we stuck around then I'd be in school and had tools to be productive. I guess it's just another one of my assumptions. I'm making excuses for my actions like I'm not responsible for nothing, but I am. I'm a man to myself. What you people, I do this shit cause I need to. I never had nothing, never myself. I'm selling the dreams. I don't wanna leave the red door and never come back. I'm gonna leave my family behind cause I'm not like my dad. I do this shit for my daughter, I do this shit for my son. And when I didn't have a chance to see what he would become, the reason I go hard every ball, put my heart on the drum, no more licks, even when he on the this time I gotta do it right, I'm always staying up at night. Sleep is never allowed to me, this is a small sacrifice. The biggest what we miss your birthday, if I ain't take the right on tour for you. Daddy catching another flight, one more for you. Doing my duty, grab the mic and do what I was supposed to do. Vulnerable to the camera like take a minute to analyze. Beat the crowd, I'm keeping out. I need my child to know about every second. I'm going harder to make sure that you be brought up in her life. With no stress, so I fight for what's best for me and you. Living through the pain, the rain, this humbling. Bro, I made it, can't explain this change, it's like some hit. Now the Henny, the drugs no longer was the egg. It's deadly, chasing the buzz, when in the end the only thing I ever needed was your love. You out of your angel, I swear you're from up above. Yeah! Woo! Hey, I smoked so much motherfucking weed today. I know y'all gonna turn up on it. Fuck with me. Yeah. Look, feel like I'm in over my head. Checks ain't adding up, sitting at the end of this bed like I'm at the end of the road. And I guess I just had enough. Fucking 9 to 5, I'm right on time and I'll be fine with this blunt. I'm crazy, but I think I may have been it up this way due to a lady. Cool with the 2 cent 2 right through, ain't no saving me. Baptized and wash away all the demons. Keep coming in just to take from me. From stealing, I'm hungry and that's to say the least. You love more than bravery. To say the bitches I'm faithfully. Killing them like can't you see they feeling them? Hands to the ceiling, I'm still go dumb. All these problems I had to feel it comfort like I'm in over my head. Drowning in the liquor, smoking blunts. I gotta thank God I ain't dead. Now trying to hit her, I've been waiting for like 10 years. I'm here, I'm so sincere. No sense y'all can't get into that mirror. See what you have from me silly. Bothering you, so constantly hollering, telling yourself that you got it. Glad I acknowledged it. My future, I see my accomplishments. Standing on top of a monument, need to bring me just to polish it. Fuck all the politics. Hate on me or wait on me. I never paid attention to what they told me. They'll be in attendance when I'm performing. Got plenty reasons that'll keep me going. Feel like I'm in over my head. Checks ain't adding up, sitting at the end of this bed like I'm at the end of the road. And I guess I just had enough. Right on time and I'll be fine with this blunt. Where that blunt at? It's like shit is not connected, more like I'm losing reception. Try not to let it mess with where I'm headed. Been staying calm for a long minute. It's about time I make a proper entrance to shit to be. Hard to hit the other edges, there's something about the feeling that I'm getting. Every rap for written mass appealing. I'm in tune, I gotta talk to that doctor, get some of used for more benefit ever than ever knew. Had to view this as a catapult, trying to sell, I couldn't ask for more. Platinum or gold, all of my records sold inside the store. I know what it like to be broke with a home. Riding alone, I gotta take care of this shit on my own. Hey, checks ain't that enough, sitting at the end of this bed like I'm at the end of the road. And I guess I just said enough. Fuck a 9 to 5, on ride on time and I'll be fine with this luck. Feel like I'm in over my head. Checks ain't that enough, sitting at the end of this bed like I'm at the end of the road. And I guess I just said enough. Fuck a 9 to 5, on ride on time and I'll be fine with this luck. Yeah. Portland, Oregon, y'all the shit. Northwest Cannabis Club, y'all the shit. Jacob J, y'all the shit. Dean's Green and everybody who came out, y'all the shit. Fuck with me. Hey, sometimes I tend to get lost in my ways, but I ain't the only one. You know? Can't be. Look. This is for everybody. Smoke weed, drink, whatever. Yeah. Look. I get lost in my way. Ain't hard to tell if you ain't noticed yet. Same thing, different day. It may be the fact that I roll up and won't convince these labels to fuck with my shit. Try to get no love when I'm rich. But no. Yeah. I guess I'm feeling indestructible. I'm just known from the fucks I don't give. I'm comfortable, lost in my way. Someone like to say this shit is a phase, and I'll be okay, but I don't feel to say they just want me to change, but I can't stop stressing. Too much on my plate, I can't express it. No other way I can relate this message, but through this song, they cannot forget it. I ain't moving on till you start connecting all the dots and put it all together. Wake up and roll up some kush. Think on it till I end up with all these endeavors. Extra shit, deceptive people in your circle, cut them out for certain. These servants are sure to be working overtime. It's worthless. I tell you what's worth it. The time it takes for me to murder these instrumentals. If you need my service, need a band for the verse. Keep a record spinning, heads are turning. And spread out, earned it. A long time just to make this perfect. Long nights from my stomach hurting. I ain't cried to wanna smile. I kept it pushing shit. I've been deserved it. I get lost in my way. Ain't hard to tell if you ain't know this shit. Same thing, different day. It may be the fact that I roll up and won't convince these labels to fuck with my shit. Probably get no love when I'm ring. But yeah. Lost in my countless and sitting around with the crowd too obnoxious to realize we need more than just a battle to get me through the night. Now what's it cost you? Month after month hoping something falls through. Depending on it, I can't even argue I was there before. In the same boat with a couple more people. The only thing equal between us is nothing you owe for. Stuck in the past like oh no, oh Lord, they need to be saved, but truly they afraid. Ghost stories, no worry, split the pay. Need to pay me if you think you want me on the set. It's the end of this. All these rappers getting you by promoting for their benefit. Just the thought gets me sick. Brush it off in the studio, make it this. Fuck being friendly, they gon' play this shit. If they don't, that's cool. On the ground, got a taste for something smooth. Fuck with me and you be kinda new. It's something they fan the tool. What they want and what they can approve. What they want with the get lost in my way. Yeah. You know I do. Yeah. Turn up with a young. Hey, I fucks with y'all heavy, man. I love this motherfucking city. Yes. Not a yeah, a yes. And let me hear some motherfucking noise one time. There we go. You got a bow on, are you the birthday girl? Come to the front. I said, fuck what you think. I'm covering my bottle, I got a lot on my mind. Really, it's about getting money to me. I smoke so much coffee, my love becoming covered up. It's like I got a fucking disease. Believe me, they not what you want them to be. Crack the ceiling, pour it out on the street. For the ones who passed away, I passed the sweet. It's hard for me to not make the best of this. Evidently my efforts ain't effortless. Next to twisting like the Exorcist. Catch my drift, they wanna slow me down to the point I don't exist. So if you share my shit, then you want my lit. See, when it comes to my raps, I got ownership. I ain't pivoted with giving a damn thing. Just the heart and some courage to go for it. And knowing I'm gone is appropriate. That I make my exit, these associates used to be homies only if the focus is on them. The distance between us is longer. Karma come back around the hunch and touch it with less than no fuck with the starving artists who ain't got nothing. But good intentions all about that first impression pop something. Said fuck what you think. I'm cuffing my bottle, I got a lot on my mind, really is about getting money to me. I smoke so much coffee, my love becoming covered up. It's like I got a fucking disease. Believe me, they not what you wanted to be. Crack the ceiling, pour it out on the street for the ones who passed away. I passed the sweet. Drinking this liquor like it's water, riding through the city, need to get my life in order. Same thing every day, this shit is getting bored when I know I should be touring. I've been inside of a foreign, glorifying on my porch, pouring out shots when I'm on it. It's more than me when I recorded, I got a feeling I was born with. This is my blood, dope like the drug that turned my homies into scrub. If they don't like it, tough love, remember how they once was. Everybody gathering to kick it just us. Don't get me wrong, I ain't here to judge. But if you hear me out, if you sobered up, got your mind right, I might roll with you. In other news, I need to smoke a blunt, I need to smoke to that fuck what you think. I'm cuffing my bottle, I got a lot on my mind, really it's about getting money to me. I smoke so much coffee, my love becoming covered up, it's like I got a fucking disease. Believe me, they not what you want them to be. Crack the ceiling, pour it out on the street for the ones who passed away, I passed the sweet. Can't give them the satisfaction, knowing I didn't come through. Like what the fuck did this come to? The mood I'm in to keep me humble. Perfect brush to pay the struggle so they can understand they can make them or break it. Been given an ultimatum, get paid to pay in. And so far from my mazes, I'm anxious. The closer I get got me nervous. Earlier before I wrote this, I was told I wouldn't make it. Implying I'm wasting my time, but they hating. I'm popping up in conversations, sending invitations, trying to invite me. Not likely, I entertain and take a range. But they had nothing to do than the beast of what you trying to masquerade the anger gave me. This ain't no exaggeration, fuck what you think. I'm cuffing my bottle, I got a lot on my mind, really it's about getting money to me. I smoke so much coffee, my love becoming covered up, it's like I got a fucking disease. Believe me, they not what you want in the bed. Crack the ceiling, pour it out on the street for the ones who passed away, I passed the sweet. Now go ahead and pass that sweet to everybody that's friendly, okay? Sharing is caring. Hey man, this is my last one for y'all. This got a lot of West Coast swag to it. I figured as much to bring this one for y'all. Look. You was happening when I was broke, wasn't looking out for your own. Now you want me to help you grow, maybe throw you with a couple songs, but you know that you dead wrong. What the fuck is your head on, huh? Huh? Smiling when they see you doing bad. These suckers ain't shit, I wish you could see what I had. It's more about all the times that I gave you my legs, and they taking shit for granted. I don't really understand it, made me want to grab the hammer. I can't fix what's damaged, and I ain't a bit embarrassed to tell it how I really is. That's the problem with you motherfuckers, more fraud than a bitch. Take yours and dip, got the fifth taking sips on the shit. Ever since they thought I took the bitch, more like the game when the shot at the end, I seen them on the face. Don't fuck with me, no fuck with you either. Can't hide from the truth when I'm still in your